What's going on, everyone, and especially you VB WRX owners. This is Jeff with Revel Sport Direct, and I want to tell you guys about the recent opportunity we had to install the new Revel Medallion Touring Premier T exhaust on our VB WRX. Now, besides the very unique name to this exhaust system, it also has a very unique feature, which is the fact that it is a valved exhaust. Now, obviously the VB did not come with a valve from the factory, so Revel's system introduces an auxiliary one that you can control yourself. So if you're looking for a quieter cold start in the mornings, but you still want to let it rip later with the buds, this might be the perfect solution for you. I'm gonna hand it off to our team in California, who will be doing the unboxing and installation, as well as some spicy sound clips. Take it away, guys.
What's up, everybody? Jonathan here over at RallySportDirect.com, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Medallion Premier Dynamic Valved Catback Exhaust System by Revel, and we're gonna install it on this 2022 Subaru WRX. Let's go. So everything you need to install the system comes within the box. We have everything unpacked and laid out here, and we're just gonna go through this real quick. The Touring Edition system comes resonated at the midpipe. This helps reduce a lot of cabin drone. It starts out with a 60mm 2-bowl flange that bolts right up to your stock J-pipe. From there, it steps up to 76mm throughout the rest of the system. The piping itself is made of 304 stainless steel to resist corrosion and prolong the life of your system. So moving on to the Y pipe here, this thing is fully hand TIG welded, as well as the rest of the exhaust system, of course. 1.5mm wall thickness for increased longevity and durability. Laser cut flanges. So this is what makes this exhaust system different. It has a valve system that you can control wirelessly. To control that valve, included in the kit comes with a receiver, associated wiring, and 2 controllers. Let's say it's 2 in the morning and you're on your way home. While you're at 2 in the morning, that's on you. If you don't want to be loud on startup, if you don't want to be loud coming down the streets, all I gotta do is close the valves.